In this video, you'll learn how to track progress by label in Placker. You can use Placker to track your progress automatically and change the status attribute either by moving lists, for example from to do to doing, which would automatically change the status to started, or by assigning labels. In this case, we already have some labels added, which are approved, in progress, or not started. If we go to Tracking tab, we can select the progress to be tracked by hand, list, or label. We're going to select label, and every card that has the approved label will have the status automatically set as completed. In progress, we'll have the status changed to started, and not started will be open. Now if we click a card and change the assigned label to approved, notice that the status was automatically changed to completed and the progress set to 100%. To revert this progress tracking to default, click the title, go to tracking and select to track progress by hand, so status won't be automatically changed. And this is how you track progress by label in Placker.